What's up, everybody? David from 12 Volt Technologies bringing you along on another installation. This is a 2013 BMW X1, and we're adding an Android tablet-style radio and a backup camera. This was a pretty interesting installation, as we were starting with a base model X1. You can see here the vehicle doesn't have a factory iDrive controller, so we actually need to add an aftermarket iDrive controller, so there's a way to control the new tablet. We do a little bit of extra disassembly on this one, as some of the components of the center console were actually damaged by the previous owner, so the new owner asked us to replace the cup holder components and a couple of other bits and bobs. These BMWs have a good mix of clips and screws holding the trim to the vehicle, so disassembly's a little bit involved. The biggest thing is to just stay organized and remember what goes where. Now that we've gotten everything apart, we can get the monitor mounted in the dash, the iDrive controller in the center console, and test everything out. Looks like it's working good, so we move on to the backup camera. The camera we picked out for this is actually a factory fit style unit, so it goes right in the factory backup camera location. Once we've gotten all the cabling routed forward, secured, and limbed up with the factory stuff, we can focus on reassembly and getting the vehicle back together. As long as you stay organized, these BMWs go right back together, just like they never came apart. And just like that, it's all back together. You can see the new unit here live in the dash. We're gonna go ahead and pop it into reverse. You can see that backup camera display. Thanks for coming along with us on this installation. If you guys are in the San Diego area and you're interested in getting work done on your vehicles, go ahead and jump on the website and fill out the Contact Us page.